When you run Claude code, you can enter in a / and see a bunch of commands that are built into Claude code by default. In addition to these default commands, you can easily add your own custom commands as well. Custom commands are useful for automating repetitive tasks that you find yourself running frequently. Let me show you an example of how to make one. Inside of my project directory, I'm going to find the .claude folder. Inside there, I'll make a new directory called commands, and then inside that, I'll make a new file called audit.md. The name of the file that we create, in this case audit, is going to be the name of the command we eventually run. The goal of this command is going to be to audit all the different dependencies that have been installed into this project, update them if there are any vulnerabilities, and then run tests to make sure that nothing actually broke. Once you have created the command file, you'll then restart Claude code. Don't forget to restart it. When you reopen Claude code, put in /audit. This will then display the command that you just created. You can then run this, and in this case, it will do exactly what we asked Claude to do. It'll run a command, see if there are any vulnerable packages, fix them if necessary, and then run tests. Commands can also receive arguments. Let me show you an example. I'm going to make another command called write tests. Whenever I run this command, I want to have some tests created for a very particular file inside my project. Inside of the command text, I'm going to put in a placeholder of $arguments. Whenever I run the command, if I pass in a path to a file, that path will be inserted at $arguments. So now I can restart Claude code again and then execute the write test command. Now, to be clear, the arguments we pass in don't have to be a file path. It can be any string we want to pass in. So I might casually ask for tests for a file in some particular folder, giving Claude just a little bit of direction on where to look.